Hi, so here I'm going to be showing you how you can use Google Docs in Koala. So once you're in your Koala classroom and you go over to the web browser, to activate the web browser, all you have to do is click on it and you will see the blue outline around it. And then go ahead and search for Google Docs. And I'm going to go ahead and sign into my account just so you can see what that would look like. Um, and mind you, I will have to note that I am using a Mac computer. Um, so it might vary depending what computer you're using. If you're using like a Windows desktop, to open the document on the Mac, I just have to click on it once and it opens up. On some computers, you have to click on it and hold enter, um, but not double click on it like you usually would. So just try either click on it once or click on it, hit enter, see what works for you. And once you have the document open, you can use it as you normally would. You can go ahead and use like the highlighter tools, like I am here, or you can use the pencil tool to underline things. You could also grant access to a student so they can make edits on the web browser. So here I'm going to give access to a student by clicking on the top right corner. There's this three stripes, and the drop down menu is going to have the student's name right below my name. And I'm going to click on the student's name to give them access, and they're going to be able to use the writing tools. This was just like a template on Google Docs, but they're just gonna go ahead and highlight the first words, and yeah, that's really all to it. And like once you exit out, you'll be all done. Thank you.